In this video, we are going to export our NotebookLM slide deck to a PowerPoint presentation. If you do have the feature enabled inside of your notebook, you will be able to go to the Ellipsis. You will then see two tabs. You'll see download as a PDF. You'll then see download as a PowerPoint. It is entirely possible that you may go to your account and you may click on the Ellipsis and you may only see download as a PDF, which means then that the feature has not yet been rolled out to your account. You are more likely to see first the revision tab in your account, which is also a new feature as of the recording of this video. You can click inside of your PowerPoint and you can go to the top option. You can click on more options and you will see both options available to you to download as a PDF and to download as a PowerPoint. You can also undertake the same process from the studio. You can go to these ellipses. You can then click on the tab for downloading a PDF or downloading a PowerPoint. And the slide presentation is now open in PowerPoint. We can click on Enable Editing. Now in PowerPoint, these are going to be images. And so these images will not be editable directly. However, if you like the slide presentation as is, you can effectively use the images that have already been given to you inside of PowerPoint. You can also take care of all of your edits inside of NotebookLM by going to the ellipsis and clicking on the Revise button. And this will give you the opportunity to revise the presentation before you export it into PowerPoint. Okay, so thanks, and I will see you in another video.